Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Walle's Yarn Creations. Welcome. I have 4 new shawls I like to show you today. There are 4 different patterns by 2 designers, by West and by Susan Gressman. Different in size, shape, design elements. I hope you see something you like and get inspired. I'll put all the pattern names and the color names in the comments below that you can find them. Yarns are on our website, wallesyarncreations.com, and you can find the patterns on Ravelry. First up are 2 designs by Stephen West. Stephen is known for his large, colorful shawls, and the 2 I'm going to show you fit that bill. First one is called Spiraling Cables Triangle. As you can see, it's a triangle shape, and it has beautiful spiraling cables, as the name suggests. We are using 2 gradients. Start in this corner, and you can see how the colors change on their own and how they work with each other. This shawl, and actually all the ones I'm showing you today, are knitted by my friend Biddy. Beautiful work. Thank you for your help, Biddy, knitting all these beautiful samples. Lovely work. Thank you so much. So this is called Spiraling Cables Triangle, a pattern by Stephen West. The colors we used look like this, and they look very different on the skein than knitted up. 250-gram skeins. This color is called SALT, combination of natural yellow gold shades, and this one is called Jupiter. Jupiter has lime, light gray, and 2 shades of blue. So those 2 together, Sol and Jupiter, and we have kits available in this combination, 150 grams each, combined to make this shawl. Lovely large size triangle shawl with spiraling cables. You can knit these cables without using a cable needle, which makes it easier and faster. Lovely work, and I love how the colors work together. I like this size. So Stephen West's Spiraling Cables Triangle, knitted in colors Sol and Jupiter. Next shawl is also by Stephen West. It's called Winter Lights Shawl. And despite the winter in the name, it's a very wearable design all year long. The pattern was originally designed for DK weight, which is very heavy and makes a very large shawl. So we used fingering weight, our fingering weight cotton, to make it more user-friendly and actually wearable. Not just in Virginia, but actually year-round. Different design elements, and again we're using 2 gradients, and you see how they work together to create this beautiful shawl. It's a half moon shape and still very good size, but the fingering weight we used makes it, as I said, user-friendly and actually wearable. The 2 colors are Reflection and Starlight. These are 100-gram skeins. This is Reflection, natural with lime and a light gray, and Starlight is one of my favorite colors, gray, greenish teal, navy, and lavender running throughout the skein to blend all the colors. So Reflection and Starlight put together, 100-gram skeins each, to knit the Winter Lights Shawl by Stephen West. We have kits if you like this combination, otherwise there are many more color choices online. So Winter Lights Shawl. Generous size, very wearable, knitted in fingering weight cotton. These were 2 shawls by designer Stephen West. Next, I like to show you 2 designs by Susan Gressman. The first one is called Healing and Hope. It's a large crescent shawl, and I just love the colors. The pattern is called Healing and Hope, and Susan dedicates this pattern to her daughter, who works for the Red Cross and Red Crescent organization, and it has several design elements that are healing and hope symbols. Love the colors, and a very large shawl in a nice shape, very wearable. The colors for the Healing and Hope shawl are 2 gradients. Salt Water Taffy, which is 150 gram skein. The bright fuchsia pink color, 2 gold shades, a light gray. The second gradient is called SEAFOAM, different blue and teal shades. And we combined these 2 gradients with 2 solid colors with pepper, dark gray, and white. So these 4 skeins put together knit the Healing and Hope shawl, and we have kits available in this color combination. So Saltwater Taffy and SEAFOAM are the 2 gradients, and white and pepper as a solid contrast colors. And all those 4 skeins put together look like this, knitted up. And there are beads in there as well. The pattern was written for nubs, but Biddy replaced the nubs with beads, which is my preference too. I love working with beads. I think beads add something to the shawl. Just looks so pretty. And they also add a little bit of weight for extra nice drape. Lovely bead work in there, and I love the colors with the blue edging. It's a crescent shape, so very beautiful work. The second shawl by Susan Gressman is the one I'm wearing. It's called Hilary. It's a lace pattern. Also very wearable. Let's see, this way. You start on one end with just 5, 6 stitches, something like that. You increase. You work straight across, maintaining the same stitch count. Lovely lace pattern. And on this end you decrease until you are back to just a handful of stitches for your bind off. So knitted sideways, lovely lace designs. And this one only takes 1 skein of our gradient. This is a 150 gram skein, and we use color Cardinal. Cardinal has 3 different gray shades and red. This is a 150 gram skein, and just takes 1 skein like this. Of course, there are many more color choices online, but it's just 1 skein, so you don't need to swap or watch your colors. You just go ahead, enjoy the pattern, and the yarn is doing the rest. Pattern is called Hilary, and we use color Cardinal to knit this. Those were the 4 new shawl designs I wanted to show you. If you saw something you liked, different shapes, different styles, again, all the pattern names and color names will be in the comments below. Hope you see something you like. Thank you for watching. Happy knitting!